Hey, what's up, people? Just checking in real quick. A little disclaimer. I don't fish and honestly don't know anything about it. Also, the GoPro audio is slightly off because of the waterproof case. I'm gonna fix that for next time, but hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks. What's up, guys? It's the fishing vlog, I guess. Never done this before, so we're trying it out. I'm wearing a magnetic mount right now. It's kind of wobbly, that's why. That's my brother, that's my aunt. Cool people.
He touched the butt.
Ooh, that's cold. Let's throw this here. Fish won't see this one coming.
They're blonde like us, right?
Pretty much.
I
Oh!
see one. I see it moving. I'm so excited. You want me to take it out of the net?
me and Deb hyped over one pinfish.
That's our catch of the day.
Oh!
Okay.
Deb ain't scared no fish. So, gag me, brethren. Oh.
So, right, with your GoPro, can you send clips to our phones and stuff? Will our phones handle that? Like,
Yeah.
really?
Yeah.
Oh, good. If we take footage, like.
Yeah, I'll send it to you. If it comes out any good. This might come out like absolute. Okay, you got the bottom of it?
Stay on the end because I know it's
Yep. And you
need to pull a few of those over your arm.
Dude, this is so weird. And then you just throw it? Okay. Let me try it one more time. And then can I just throw it out like that?
You don't want to hold both sides, so.
Okay.
Like with your hand.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, can you throw it? You're gonna do like a motion.
Okay.
And then this.
It's like you're like throwing cards.
Basically.
Okay. Yeah, see, it's professional right here. Oh yeah, there's a 3-foot bass. They're probably not even in this water, are they?
There you go.
How do you open it? Oh. Oh, pulling it up opens it?
Oh, there you go.
Look at that boy.
Oh.
Hell yeah, dude. That's all I want to do. Just shake that ass. Let me see what you got. You seen this? Holy shit. Dude, they're actually moving. Dude, I'm full pedal here. I'm so jealous. He has a motor on that. Vinny, did I have poles in mine? Oh, wait. I only had one pole, right? Okay. How beautiful it is. It's so nice. Alright, we're almost at the spot. This guy's over here coasting. Big turbo kayak over here. Pushing about 300 pedals per minute. What? What's that? Really? I want to see the stingray. Sorry if it's all feet. You guys are getting a show over here. Flip me, brother. Yeah. I got a bite. He's nibbling. I think he ate it all.
I told you to reel it in.
I was. Let's see. Yep, he ate it all. Man, how do you do this? Oh hell, that's hard. Alright guys, let's throw another one. Oh, that was a good cast. Good job. got one. I didn't even touch it. They ate it all again. Well, do those catch stuff? Oh, nice. You still got them? No, the trout.
No, they're back.
Oh, okay.
16
Ooh.
inches.
That's huge.
Right?
Yeah.
That fish is taking me in the water with him if I have to catch him.
I love it. You're a great dad. Dude, they're about to fuck our so hard. Oh. Oh, really? I thought it was an airboat. Why?
They'll go like that, right next to you.
Wow.
Wow.
You hate to see it. Alright, fellas, we're moving the locations because we ain't catching nothing over there. Is it big enough? What? I caught it. That's cool. Whoa. Huh?
Take it out?
Yeah. Sorry, I'm freaking out here. Holy shit, he has some gnarly teeth, brother. How big is he? 15? Oh, I was like, damn. I don't know yet. I got a baby. Oh, he got it. I got a baby trout. We're eating that shit up. Let's get another one. They even like the small little guys. Nice little shrimp. Let's catch this fucker out. There's a good pocket over there for sure. Oh, that's too close. Let's redo that. Let's go to the pocket over that way. Got another one. What? Oh, he's moving. Oh. I think he's too small, but look at him. Cute little fella. I think it's a trout. I don't know. We got the whole gang here. I'm backwards. I don't know. We're making it work though. All right, we got a keeper. Holy shit, that thing's moving. I got the GoPro on. I did a little late, but I was hooking a shrimp. Shrimp's the way to go. Were you with Shrimp, Ben? Of course you were. The shrimp is back. Little does that guy know he's getting eaten tonight. I hate to see it. You see that seagull? We got him before you. Good job, Ben. Holy shit! I can't see him. I'm getting pretty good at this plier shit though. What? Look at that, guys. Got another one. A keeper. Time goes so quick. I keep catching these little guys, man. Look at this. How? What the? Come on now. Standing out. Let's see if we can cast this. It's kind of hard. I'm not gonna lie. Super imbalanced right now. Bouncing on the kayak. Oh my gosh. Ah! Dude, these jet ski people are like scat pack owners. They keep coming back and just doing pulls. Don't make no sense. We don't want you here. Nah, they're okay, but kind of annoying a little bit. We're chilling, big sun vibe. Alright, we're headed kind of back because it's starting to go down. Alright, very cool. Alright, we're boot scooting. We're getting trolleyed back. We got the convoy. Wow, true. How you feeling back there, Deb? Alright, we got a new system. Tied to the front. Topes. Paid actor.